Mastering phrasal verbs. Set down, define and conquer. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to dive into the world of phrasal verbs. Specifically, we'll be looking at the phrasal verb, set down. We'll define it, look at its uses, and even practice with some examples. Let's get started. Set down is a versatile phrasal verb with a few different meanings. In its most common usage, set down means to write or print something, particularly rules or guidelines. Another meaning of set down is to place or put something down, typically in a careful or deliberate manner. For example, the laws were set down in the Constitution. He set down the glass on the table gently. While set down can be used in any context where something is being written or placed, it's often seen in formal contexts or narratives. For example, in a legal context, one might set down rules. In a narrative, an author might describe how a character set down an item. Here are a couple of sentences to show how set down can be used. The judge set down his verdict in writing. She carefully set down the newborn baby in the crib. It's time for some practice. I'll give you some sentences with blanks, and you'll need to fill them in with set down or an appropriate form of it. Here we go. 1. The chef carefully blank the hot pan. 2. The rules of the game were blank in the rule book. And that's a wrap on set down. It's a versatile phrasal verb that can help you express a range of ideas. I hope this has been useful, and remember, practice makes perfect. Happy learning!